Market has just opened and it's showing strength to the upside at the moment. MES is like just almost grabbed this liquidity on top. Let me just confirm if that's what happened. Oh no, it's not grabbed it yet. What about MNQ? Wow. Wow. MES and MNQ showing like completely opposite signs. Something that does not usually happen. So yeah, it's surprising to me because yeah, this is not a common occurrence in the market. For downside, we can look at this liquidity zone. For the upside, I think this area would be a good liquidity zone. And for MES almost grabbed the liquidity from top, but just missed it by a whisker actually. I think the trend is going to be down. I think the trend is going to be down today because the candle that has formed right now is a pretty huge one. So let's see what's going to happen. Purely based on this bearish candle that we see here, I do not think market is going to grab this liquidity and reverse unless it's just a choppy market where it's going up and down. But this huge candle is showing strength towards downside. Hmm. Okay, there's the break. Yep, and it doesn't look like a sweep. Okay, there we go. There's a comeback. An immediate buy would be like a like a quick scalp here, but that's not my setup. The setup that we are waiting for is where it shows clear reversal where I'll be taking a trade to the upside when it shows a clear reversal after the sweep. But this looks like the momentum is continuing to the downside because as you can see, price did not reverse immediately, which is showing that, the order that has come in has been absorbed and there are still more orders to push price downwards. If we look at MES, yeah, MES is also hovering around that area. And now I think it's going to continue. This might be a good liquidity area now. And below that, we have one more, which is here, right here. Yeah, these two are the main liquidity zones at the moment on MES. Sorry, MNQ. MES, it's pretty much the same. Yeah, these two. Actually, this one's going to be taken out apparently because that is the one that has been taken out right now on MNQ. Not necessary though. It's moving up. Is that a reversal or just a retracement? These are all good scalp trades. Cannot go for a long-term trend reversal because these candles are so strong, these bearish candles, so cannot just risk it. Cannot risk it for the biscuit. But anybody can do an immediate scalp actually. This looks like a very good setup for a scalp. I think I want to experiment with the downside entry actually here. So let me just try to sell it off from here. Uh, did that order go through? Hmm, not sure what's happening. Do we have any working orders? 223. Okay, it says it's filled, but I cannot see my chart. Okay, it's here finally. Okay, let's see what happens. See, this is not at all my setup, but I want to try out an experiment and see if I can go on and make some money on, trades that follow the trend rather than just always taking, my reversal setup. So I'm just trying it out. I've put up a 50K account on TradingView paper trading setup just to see how okay, it executed both my 3 minute. I'm sorry, both the trades. So yeah, we cannot go over. Yeah, okay, I don't think this is working. Let me see. Yeah, I'll just exit it here. If it happens. Arre, re, re. Okay, there is some delay with the trading view paper trading. This is a paper trading account, guys, so there is nothing to worry actually. We wanted to figure out what happens in this, in this continuation trade, but it looks like it's not working and I'm not able to exit. So let me just exit like this. Ah, there's something going wrong. Trading views acting weird. Let me try to. Okay, it's getting updated really slowly. Now it has updated the SL order. The updated SL order is right here, but it took it some time. Now it looks like a clear reversal. This is actually very valid for our liquidity grab setup. And for MNQ, let me see how MNQ would do. It's already moved up a little, so there's no point in taking the trade to the upside now. And anyway, trading view is not reacting instantly, so there's no point taking the paper trade. Yeah, but I think over the longer term, I don't know if price will actually reverse. Still looks like the strength to the downside is stronger, but who knows, this is NY open and can take any side. Look at gold, man. That's a crazy push to the upside. Wow. Hmm. This week's showing strength. Yeah, I think it's gonna go down now. Yeah, I think so. Let's see what happens. Anyway, we don't have a trade here. Today is Monday. Most people would be working right now on a Monday. Some people do not trade on Mondays for some particular reason. Since it's a week opening, market usually moves with the volumes that were out of the market for the last couple of days. That is during the weekend. Whatever volume is, I mean, it's not visible on the charts, right? So there is discontinuity in the price movement, and that can actually create gap ups and gap downs. So there are many people who do not trade on Mondays. NQ is holding like crazy, and ES is showing clear s- signs of bearishness. Wow. It's funny, I've put the title of the stream as learning some patience, and I just entered into an impulse trade immediately on this paper trading account. That's quite funny. But then anyway, I just wanted to experiment something here, so that's why I entered into it. Trading view is a bit lagging today, so even if we find another setup that's actually working for us, I don't think we can enter. But we can give it a try when it happens, but not sure if trading view will cooperate with us. Hmm. Let's see what is going to happen. Some people say that if trading is your passion, for you to actually make money in trading, you have to treat it like a boring, routine, repetitive exercise. So, in a way, if it's your passion, it has to become boring for you to make money. How ironic is it? Like something that you're passionate about, something that excites you, has to become so boring for you to achieve the final goal that you aim to achieve from it. It's like you have to kill your passion to achieve what your passion means for you. So in a way, the destination is self-defeating. It's such a contradiction of trading, that eureka, all those moments of failure, struggle, pain, you you reach success in the end, but then you will have to sacrifice all the joy, excitement, dopamine, adrenaline, all that trading gifted you when you finally reach there. So in the end, was it all worth the journey? Was the conclusion that you're going to reach, which is quite boring, was it all worth the struggle that you had put in earlier? Yeah, it's a good question to ponder upon. Not sure, if other people have already done it or what their perception is, but it's definitely an interesting one. Look at these candles, like four bearish candles. MES is trying to go down, and that pressure, you can see that pressure here. But MNQ is holding really good. So entering a trade here is would be one of the most, stupid things for me to do because it looks like price is just being being indifferent, trying to pick a side, not sure where to go. So I wouldn't be entering a trade here. Yeah, looks like it's going up now though. Looks like it's picking up on a side. So indecisive, and I'm not sure why. Yeah, I don't like the way the price is moving here. It's so indecisive. If it was with the eval account as well, I wouldn't like how price is moving here. I wouldn't probably enter another trade as well. So if it was a real account, I might have actually trusted this sweep now because there was a bit of displacement here. But it's if anything, it's the heavy downtrend here that would be stopping me. I think if I actually had a eval account, I would have impulsively entered a trade after the sweep here and then might have lost some money there. Yeah, only if I had an actual eval account. But yeah, okay, MES has actually taken this area. Now let's see what MNQ does. Okay, MNQ is also shooting down. Yes, this is what happens when there's huge momentum during the open. Let's see how price moves now. Price is probably going to take out this low as well. But here we can see a good order block. Let's see what price does at this area. Is it going to crash through the order block? Yeah, the order block is being taken away in MNQ, so I think it's going to be the same result at MES also. Yep, both pushing downside now, and it's going to sweep the bottom low that we see on the charts right now, I guess. It is going to travel down. That's my best guess. Markets have been tough, man, lately. Last 1 month and a half, it has been crazy. The movement has been quite unpredictable and indecisive. It's been difficult, I should say. When there is no intent and a clear side where the market's moving, it's very difficult to capture points. And how do then some people make long-term money in trading? It's by not trading during those moments, during those phases of difficulty, trading difficulty, you stay away from the market. That's how people who make money in the markets actually make money in the markets. That's the biggest strategy, but it's very difficult. That non-reactivity and the ability to not take a trade is not that easy to develop. That's where the money lies, though. MES is reacting from this area, but the momentum that we see is nothing. Like that buying that you see here is just too weak for the candle before it, so not trusting it. So I think then that's it. That's it. We didn't get a good trade today. The only thing was just an experiment that I did. So yeah, I think we can continue later. And we have a lot of things to talk about, like, right, we have somebody in the comments saying it's the process that matters, bro. Yeah, true. It is the process that matters. Yep, I think that's it for us for today. We'll continue again. Thank you.